Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we are talking about the things that I do buy. Now, because I make so many things, I'm often asked if I make everything. What do I buy? And I definitely don't make everything. I do definitely still buy things that other people do make, and I thought I would talk about that today, so let's dive in. The first one is mascara. I love buying mascara. I'm a total sucker for a new mascara that's supposed to be absolutely amazing. You know, show me a makeup tutorial where somebody puts on mascara and it's just like, oh, and you can believe there's a very good chance I'm gonna go out and buy that mascara. So the most recent one that I've been trying that I love is Lash Slick from Glossier. I'm wearing it now, and I've really been enjoying that. But yeah, I really like buying mascara. I mean, I make it too, but I love buying it. It's so fun. When it comes to skincare, I buy my serums that contain actives, or the vast majority of them at least. So vitamin C things and AHAs and BHAs. I get most of them from The Ordinary because The Ordinary is delightfully affordable, and honestly, everything works and it's great and it's got a good place in my skincare system, and I kind of maybe don't want to rock the boat too much. At some point in time, I'll probably experiment with some of these things, but for something like really high strength AHA peel, I've got one from Drunk Elephant and one from The Ordinary that are 25 and 30% AHA respectively. And those are great, and I will never DIY anything like that. So yeah, I tend to buy things that have actives in them, and I'm perfectly happy with how everything is performing. I'm perfectly happy with the price point. I'm happy with everything that's in there, and I'm having a lot of fun making other stuff. Hairspray, mousse, and like heat protectant, these are things that I might use like twice a month. They're really not things that I use all that much, and so I'm really not that enthralled by the idea of trying to make them. It's not a huge part of my life, and so I just kind of like, why not just buy them. So yeah, definitely still buy that stuff. Mousse is like magic. You just laundry detergent. So I get mine from Costco. I buy, a Costco size thing of it. It's the concentrated, unscented stuff. It's probably Kirkland brand. It works great. I might need 2 of those jugs a year. So that works perfectly for me. I know lots of people do make laundry soap out of sort of ground soap and other things, and I've read a lot about how that can really build up in your clothes over time. And there's also other things to consider, like how is your homemade detergent impacting like the elastics in your clothes or the fibers themselves. Like there's a lot to know about laundry that I feel like I don't know, and so I'm perfectly happy to spend like $40 a year at Costco on laundry detergent and leave that one to the pros. Sunscreen. So you should never ever make your own sunscreen. I've written a big long post sort of debunking all of the things that people say to me about why it actually is a good idea. And I worked with a professional cosmetic chemist to write that and make sure that it was sound. And Lab Muffin has a great video on it as well. So I'm going to link both of those things in the description box below if you want to learn more about that. But the sunscreens that I buy, I use Japanese ones on my face, typically from Biore and Shiseido, and they are gorgeous. They are lightweight and silky and just fantastic. So much better than pretty much anything that you are probably used to working with if you are living in North America and just kind of buying drugstore sunscreen. And then for my body, I just use drugstore sunscreen, unless I've been to Australia or New Zealand recently, in which case I will bring back Australia or like New Zealand drugstore sunscreen, because theirs are so much better than the ones that we get here in North America. They just have quite a lot more approved sunscreen ingredients down there, and I find that the products work better and are significantly more cosmetically elegant. But yeah, I'll throw some links to some of my favorites in the description box below. The last category is sort of trendy stuff that I'm curious about, or things that I've read really good things about. I really like to peruse Reddit's skincare addiction and sort of see what really works well for people there. And so because of that, I picked up sort of the classic big tub of Cerave lotion just to try it, and it's really nice. And I think that trying professionally formulated, well-made products really makes me a better formulator. It gives me something to strive for. It shows me kind of what else is out there. And then there's also kind of, the category of the more trendy things. So last year I bought a Charlotte Tilbury like magic cream that like adjusts to match your skin tone, which is so cool, and kind of gives you like a bit of a tan and really improves the appearance of your skin. It's very, very cool. I don't think that's something that I could really ever make myself, but it's just really neat to see what's out there, because there is a whole world of cosmetic chemistry way, way, way beyond anything I will ever make in my own kitchen. And I think it's just really good to kind of keep myself abreast of some of the stuff that's out there, because it's just so cool and I just love it. Alright, those are some of the things that I still buy. I'd be really interested in hearing the sorts of things that you buy. Is it, because you just kind of can't be bothered to make it? Is it because it's something you sort of use infrequently? Is it because it's your favorite product and you love the way maybe that it smells or that it performs and you just really can't let that go? I would absolutely love to hear it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Do check that description box for some helpful links, and I'll see you next time.